Hi guys, welcome back. Today is question 14 on our review game board. And if you did not yesterday write down your words and copy the definitions, I'm going to give you just a minute to do that. I would also possibly pause the video and get that copied down so that you have all those little helpful hints. Today I'm also going to be having a secret word throughout the video, and you're going to need to know that secret word. So I would watch the video in its entirety today so that you can have the secret word. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started and looking at let's see here. Let me get this straightened out for you. A rhombus, when you draw a rhombus, it does have 4 equal sides like a square, but the difference is that a rhombus doesn't have 4 right angles. When you draw a square, it has 4 equal sides, but it has 4 right angles, and not all rhombuses have 4 right angles. So a rhombus is a square sometimes. B was an easy one because a triangle is a parallelogram. Well, a parallelogram has to have 4 sides, and as we could see, this triangle only has 3, so that will not work. A square is a parallelogram, always, because it has 4 equal sides. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. It also has 2 sets of parallel lines, which is what a parallelogram is. A square is a rhombus. A square is always a rhombus because it has it's a parallelogram with 4 equal sides and 2 sets of parallel lines. A parallelogram is a rectangle. Well, I drew this picture here. Here's a parallelogram and here's a rectangle. Not always is a parallelogram a rectangle because a rectangle also has the right angles at 90 degrees. So that is hard. And then a trapezoid is a quadrilateral. A trapezoid, I drew a picture down here. It has 4 sides and 1 set of parallel lines, but that also makes it a quadrilateral. So today's word that you need to know, you'll see why in a minute, is rhombus. If you know today's code word, it's rhombus. And if you participated, give yourself 1 point. And remember, today's word is rhombus.